I'm Kai Evans. I'm studying accounting and finance at Swansea University, and I'm also a rugby player with the Ospreys Academy. Well, firstly, in terms of logistics, it's pretty close to where I live at home so if I ever want to go visit my family, that wouldn't be an issue. Also, it's within close proximity to where I train with the Ospreys, so it would only be a 10-minute drive from here. So that's also useful. And also, the School of Management have a strong reputation, especially in my course, so that also pulled me towards studying here as well. Well, firstly, the first year has been great for me so far, studying here, and then been involved with the Ospreys as well. I thought at first time management was going to be an issue. We're trying to sometimes be in two places at once, but the flexibility that the university offer has been great in enabling me to do both at a strong pace. Firstly, to have the belief that you can do both, and that is a genuine option, especially if one side of it may not work out later along the line. There's always something to fall back on, and vice versa. So yeah, that's always been in the back of my mind, wanting to continue with education as well as having a big involvement in my sporting requirements as well. Yeah, I had a sports scholarship last year, and it has continued this year. The process was pretty simple. When first applying for one, it was sort of like an online application, and then through that I met the likes of Roger Davis, who's in charge of the application and the welfare of the sporting academics. This year they introduced a task programme for sport and academics, which will give us the opportunity to pursue a dual career, and hopefully that will be of benefit for me throughout my studies here in university.